Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix HyperX Cloud 2 one side not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with your HyperX Cloud 2 here and it's not actually working properly here, there's a few things that you could try. So first things first is sometimes when you start using your headphones or HyperX Cloud 2 here, sometimes Windows can actually play around with these settings, which is kind of weird, but you could actually fix this. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to your desktop, and at the bottom right here you have your volume or speaker icon. So you want to right click on it. Now, from here, you want to look for sounds and click on it. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and basically go to your playback at the left side here. And from here, you want to go ahead and select your device. So in this case, just an example, we could go and choose our speaker here. And from here, you want to go to your levels. And from here, you want to click on balance. Now, in here, you want to go ahead and choose the following option. So you have the left and right here. So depending on what is the problem here, you might want to increase, or you want to make sure that everything here is balanced. But everything is balanced here. Just click on OK, click on apply, and OK to close this one and see if that solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to identify if it's an hardware issue. So if you have your headphones here or your HyperX Cloud 2 here, and you've, for example, you accidentally let go of it and it hit the floor, or it hit something, so most likely it might be a hardware issue here. So most likely there might be some issues inside the specific problem cup here. So in some cases, a wire or something came loose within it. You can try fixing this yourself, especially if you see any loose wires or connections within it. But it is not recommended that you do this yourself. Sometimes that could even destroy or fully make your headphones here fully malfunction. So it is recommended that you reach out to their customer support. So you want to go to their official website, which is going to be hyperx.com. You want to go to support here, and you want to go ahead and choose the product support option. Now, from here, you have the following option to contact them. So first is we have our categories and some articles that you can view. So what you need to look for is you need to look for support. Go ahead and click on it. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here, and you want to look for your region. So, for example, if you're in South America, choose South America, or in Europe, or in this case, regional support, you could go ahead and choose that. But in my case, I'm going to use Asia Pacific support here. And from here, you could go ahead and get the following contact details. Now, you can call them on the specific numbers and times here in that specific region, and just have a conversation with them and see what are your options in getting this fixed. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.